Underbody and engine room inspection. Open the engine bonnet and secure it safely in the open position. Install the fender covers. Lift the vehicle on a 2-post lift. Measure the depth of tire grooves with tire tread depth gauge or vernier caliper for uneven or excessive wear. Check all the tires for cut, damage or nails stuck to it. Check all the wheels for any bends or damages. Check wheel bearings for abnormal noise by rotating it and touching the other parts connected to wheel. This helps to check the bearing smoothness and noise. Bring the vehicle down. Check the bearing for any visible play by holding the wheel from top and shaking it in and out as shown. Any play in the wheel shows that the bearing is worn out. Check drive shaft boots on both sides, that is, wheel and transmission, for leakage, detachment, cut or any other damage. Any cut in the drive shaft boot can result in leakage of lubricant and dust entry into the joint. This can result in faster wear of joint and reduced life of drive shaft. Check struts and shock absorbers for oil leakage, bends, dents or any other damage. Check other suspension parts for damage, looseness of parts, signs of wear or lack of lubrication. Check suspension arm ball joint stud dust seals for leakage, detachment, tear or any other damage. Check for any sign of fuel leakage or moisture at all connections. Check fuel lines for loose connection, deterioration or damage, which could lead to fuel leakage. Ensure that all clamps are secure. Check fuel tank for damage, cracks, fuel leakage and corrosion. Check the tank bolts for looseness. Check brake hoses and pipes for proper clamping, leakage, cracks, corrosion, bends, twists and other damage. Check all connections for leakage and tightness. Ensure that hoses and pipes are clear of sharp edges or moving parts. Bleed the brake system after repair or replacement of any part. Check exhaust system for leakage, loose connections, open seams, holes, dents, and damages or other defects which could result into entry of exhaust gases into vehicle. Check all bolts and nuts. Tighten them to specification if needed. To avoid burn injuries during inspection, make sure that exhaust system is cool. Check rubber mountings for damage and deterioration. Check that exhaust system components have enough clearance from underbody to avoid overheating and possible damage to floor carpet. Check steering rack boots for leaks, detachment, tear and other damage. Check all the rack boot clamps for tightness. Check all steering system bolts and nuts for tightness. Check steering linkage for looseness and damage. Check steering gear case for any abnormal play. Check all engine mountings for looseness. Tighten any loose nut or bolt to specified torque. Check cooling system connections for looseness and leakage. Check all the clamps for proper fitment and positioning. Check hoses for damage and deterioration. Check hoses for hardness. Check function of PCV valve. Check PCV hoses for loose connections, damage and deterioration. Check ignition wiring for connection, damage and deterioration. Check all the wiring harnesses couplers for proper fitment. Check the wiring for proper clamping. Check the wiring insulation for cuts and damage. Check engine room for any sign of oil leakage from engine, transmission and brake system. Remove the fender covers and close the bonnet.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you all.